Okay, I'm working on a 2004 Dakota, Terry's truck, and yeah, he got into a little fender bender. I tried to make a video on half of this yesterday, and I lost all of the data. I don't know, something about my laptop or something, I don't know. So I'm going to try this all again. I took the bumper off, and I'm lining up the new one. I got some brackets and stuff I got to rebend because they're all bent to hell. That one I tried to straighten out pretty good. Got to put a fender on it and a headlight, and attach this lower valance. Yeah, this valance didn't come with the fog light brackets either. It was just an open hole, and I bought it for fog lights, so I cut the one out of the old one and screwed it in there. It's in there. So yeah, I'm just gonna play around here and try to make this work. More sort of fit problems don't fit. Either side, I get to hog those out to make that work. That'll work. Just kind of putting these on here to line everything up a little. That side lines up good enough. This side doesn't. Okay, try that. Looks like that's going to work. There it is. Voila! Next up, the fender. I got this off of carpark.com. I just found a junkyard that had the same paint code. Should match. Had them freighted to me. Cost me about 160 bucks. These are all held in by plastic rivets. You gotta break them out. Yeah, looks like gotta take this air cleaner bracket off, and the computer, there's a couple 7mm or 8mm, I mean, a couple 10mm there for the cruise control, and yeah, there's some couple of 13s behind that computer, so I gotta take all this stuff off. Oh. Damn it, man. Where'd that go? It fell in the fan shroud. That was a fun one to find. Okay, I got the computer out of the way. There's two bolts right here. Bang, bang, and yeah, there's some wires and stuff you got to get out of the way. There's some clippy things on them and stuff, but it's all flopping around. The only issue I got now is this one bolt right here. It's nice and rusted in, so I get to figure out what to do with that. I made myself a hole. Yay! Got you. Yep, now comes the sucky part, because I actually have to try not to wreck anything. Always want to shut the door real slow. Make sure it doesn't touch. And it does. I'm going to try to pull it with a strap. Try to even that gap out a little bit. Nice. Okay, now I'm down to the headlights. This side was all smashed up. He needed 4 bulbs. 2 on this side, 2 on that side. They're all fogged up too. One on the one side, so I got brand new ones. They were like $100 for the pair. Eagle eyes, typical sort of fit stuff. They should work pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna throw these in now. Just 3 bolts. Pretty easy. This connector's all busted up, if you can see that. That's why I got this liquid tape here. This stuff works pretty good. I'll just slather it on there and I'll keep a waterproof seal on it anyways, hopefully. Okay, I figured this out. If you ever need to replace that bulb right there, there's a little clip down in here, and there's 1 screw right there. That little bugger. You take those out, and this lens comes off. Just like that. Then you can replace that bulb. That's it. Now for this crazy bumper, I don't know if I love or I hate. Okay, and all I got to do is get the center fender on. And, there was plastic rivets on there. And I don't have any plastic rivets, and I don't want to spend a bunch of money on clippy things, so I got some regular 1/4-inch rivets. I hate to be the guy to take this off, but that's how I'm going to put this on. You just need a drill bit if you got to take them out. They are aluminum, so they drill out pretty easy. I'm just going to pop them in with my 1/4-inch rivet gun and put this tire on, and I'll be done. I'm sure if anybody's actually going to watch this, they're going to think I'm nuts. But whatever. Since when do I care about what other people think? There it is. No big deal. Only be a big deal trying to take it off again. Okay, this truck is done.